Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Engineer Muhammad Shafat with you, Quality Director, Abduls Bureau, Construction QAQC Quality Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about Certified QAQC Inspector CQI and Certified QAQC Engineer CQE Mechanical, their roles and responsibilities in construction projects. Let's start our today's video. Scope of CQE and CQI Mechanical. Mechanical QAQC is broad field that encompasses multiple inspection areas. It starts with general mechanical inspection including piping, welding, NDT, and coating. Then there are specialized areas like heat treatment, PMI, and HVAC systems. Additionally, QAQC also covers inspection of lifting equipment and cranes. Each areas required specific knowledge, skills, and understanding of relevant standards. Now we will discuss mechanical engineering QAQC specialization, where QAQC inspector usually doesn't require costly certifications like sweep, NDT, API, BGAS, etc. These disciplines, which we will discuss, are general mechanical engineering disciplines where certification of CQI and CQE will be sufficient, which will provide the inspector and engineer with required knowledge and understanding of international standards. So let's start with HVAC QC inspector. HVAC QC inspector must have strong knowledge of HVAC systems, including equipment, materials, and installation practices. The role involves monitoring manufacturing, fabrication, and site installation activities. Inspectors are responsible for checking ducting, piping, and HVAC equipment to ensure compliance with project requirements. They must also be familiar with international standards such as ASHRAE, SAMACNA, NFPA, and ASME. Next is Mechanical QC Inspector. The requirements which we will discuss here we extract from Saudi Aramco Schedule Q, which are the quality minimum requirements in a project. Mechanical QC inspector must have strong practical knowledge of mechanical systems, equipments, and materials. The role includes monitoring, manufacturing, fabrication, and installation activities on site. Inspectors are responsible for checking piping systems, valves, tanks, and other equipments. They also perform inspections and testing using standard tools and procedures to ensure quality compliance. Knowledge of international standards such as ASME, API, ASTM, and AWS, etc. is essential. Next, Heat Treatment QC Inspector. The Heat Treatment QC Inspector is responsible for monitoring heat treatment process such as post-weld heat treatment. The inspector ensures proper control of temperature, heating cycle, and holding time as per approved procedures. They also verify heating and cooling rates and other process parameters. In addition, they review and verify heat treatment procedures and records to ensure compliance with standards. CQI and CQE mechanical job responsibilities. In QAQC mechanical, responsibilities are divided into two main levels, inspector and engineer. At the CQI level, the focus is on field activities such as inspection, testing, and monitoring of works. The inspector ensures that all activities are executed correctly on site. At the CQE level, the engineer is responsible for planning, coordination, and overall quality management. This includes preparation and reviewing of ITPs, inspection checklists, quality documents, managing non-conformances, and ensuring compliance with project standards. Common mechanical QAQC issues. Let's discuss first with HVAC system. The common issues can be air leakage in ducting, improper duct installation, poor sealing, incorrect air balancing, insulation defects like thickness and gaps, equipment installation issues, air handling unit, and FCU. Next issues are related with mechanical piping and equipment. These can be wrong material installation, incorrect specifications, welding defects such as crack, porosity, lack of fusion, etc. It can also misalignment and poor fit up, leakage during hydro testing, wall installation errors, etc. Next is heat treatment issues. PWHT, post-weld heat treatment. It can be incorrect temperature control, improper heating or cooling rate, incomplete heat treatment cycle, wrong placement of thermocouples, and poor documentation of records. These can also varies depends on situation on the site. Next, how CQI or CQE prevent these issues. QAQC mechanical professionals play a critical role in preventing common issues in projects. At the CQI level, inspector focuses on field activities, inspecting materials, monitoring fabrication and installation, and identifying defects at an early stage. CQI also participate in kickoff meetings, site quality toolbox, and proactive notification to the installation team to ensure that defects could not happen on later stage. However, if a QC inspector finds the defects or detect the defect, he will record a non-conformity. At the CQE level, engineers ensures proper planning and control by reviewing method statement, special processes, ITPs, inspection checklist, and ensuring compliance with standards requirement. They also manage non-conformances by identifying root cause analysis and implementing corrective and preventive actions plan. Through proper inspection, testing, and documentation, CQI and CQE together along with quality manager ensure that quality issues are controlled and prevented before they impact the project. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you soon in new video of Certified QAQC Engineer CQE and QAQC Inspector CQI with new discipline. Abduls Construction QAQC Quality Academy offers discipline-wise certification programs, including Certified QAQC Inspector (CQI) and Certified QAQC Engineer (CQE) in civil, architectural, mechanical, electrical, telecom, etc., and general disciplines as well. We also offer Certified QAQC Manager (CQM). These programs are delivered by Abduls Private Limited as an authorized training center of ABA Certifications USA. Join our live training sessions and learn from industry experts with 20 plus years of experience. For more detail, you may visit our website or contact us through WhatsApp number. See you soon in upcoming video.